Hello, today we're going to continue to do Math Kangaroo 2021. Question number 27. Each shelf holds a total of 64 deciliters of apple juice. The bottles have three different sizes, large, medium, and small. How many deciliters of apple juice does a medium bottle contain? Alright, so then we're going to use linear equation. Large is x, medium is y, and small is z. So now here there is 3x, which is large, 3 large plus 4 medium small. And that equals to 64 because it says 64 series of apple per shelf. Now the second shelf. 3 small bottles, 2 large bottles, and 2 medium bottles. That equals to 64. And now, third row. 6 small and 4 medium. It is 64. Now let's see. Now let's do it. So now, since we only have 75 minutes on the actual real test, we'll have to do 2 minutes per test, and it'll be totally impossible to do this in around 2 minutes. So we're gonna use some easier ways. So let's start with the middle number 8. Alright, if the medium is 8, then we can start with the third row because it's the one that has the most medium one. And then we can also get the small. So 6z, and we're going to use 4 times 8, 32. And that equals to 64. 60, we're going to use 6x equals to 6z equals to 64 minus 32. So 6 small is 32. And now z equals to 6 over 32. But then this is models of apple juice. It can't be a fraction, so B would not be right. So next, we can try 10. So then 6 small plus 4 times 10, 40, is 64. 6 small is 64 minus 40. And then 6 small equals to 1 equals 24, and then the z would equal to 4. Now let's give it a try because this is good. Now let's move on to the first. And now we have both the medium and small. So now let's go and get the big bottle, and then let's test it. And now I'm gonna try number 1. So 3. 24 plus 4y is 64. And then 4y equals to 64 minus 24. 4y is 40. Y is 10. So that means that these two numbers should be correct. Now we have both medium and small. Now we can move on. But since there is all three in the second row, we're going to go on to the first row. 3x plus 16 is 64. 3x equals to 64 minus 16. 3x equals to 48. X is 16. So good. And now we can move down back to the second layer. So number 2. 12 plus 3, 32, plus 20 equals to 64. So good. And now it means that y is equals to 10, which means that which also is medium equals to 10. So D is the answer. Question number 28. A large cube has side length 7 centimeters. On each of its 6 faces, the 2 diagonals are drawn in red. The large cube is then out into small cubes with a side length 1 centimeter. How many small cubes will have at least one red line drawn on it? So right now, this is the graph with red lines. And then here, and now right here is the diagonals, which is supposed to be red, but right now it's green now. So now here is the middle, which counts as both of the 2 diagonals. So here are the corners. And now here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, count that 2, 4, 5, 6. But counting the middle part, it's 7. And now here, that it's not the corners, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I do that 2, 8, and 9. And then in the corners, there is 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in total, in the whole entire block, there is 8 corners. And now 9 times 6, because there is 6 faces. 54. And then 54 plus 8 is 62. So B is the answer. Question number 29. In a group of 10 elves and trolls, they were given a token with different numbers from 1 to 10 upon it. They were each asked what number was on their token, and all answered with a number from 1 to 10. The sum of the answers were 36. Each troll told a lie, and each elf told the truth. What is the smallest number of trolls there could be in the group? So right now, it says they each got a different number, and each is from 1 to 10. So now, it's going to be from 1 to 10 numbers, and then all the elves add together should be 36. And then the rest left behind would be the trolls. So now, let's start. So now, all together, which can plus together 36, is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. So right now, that equals to 36. And now, 1, 8, and 10 are left over. So there is now 3 true, which means that B is the answer. Question number 30. There are regular cards divided into 6 equal cells with different shapes. Square, star, circle, triangle drawn in each cell. Cards can be placed side by side only if the same shapes appear in adjacent cells on their common side 9. Cards are used to form a rectangle as shown in the figure. Which of the following cards was definitely not used from this rectangle? So right now, since this together is right here, then all the corners should be a black circle. So this would be. So right now, B would be used over here. So black circle right here. And then E would not be needed. And then D over here. And then we have A right over here. So A, B, and D are not the answer. Right here. C should be right over here because this also reflects on here. Is not the answer, and we don't really quite need E, so E is the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye!